Wanna ride with me, catch a ride with me, go get high with me, yeah. Shorty, I'm a riding G, I'm a dying piece, I'm a ride with me.
Hey guys, it's Josh here, back with another episode of What Josh Eats. And today, we just went to the Popeyes, and we're going to try the Popeyes new chicken sandwich that they brought back. It was first released in probably about a couple months ago, and then they took it away because they ran out of supply, I guess. And then they just brought it back. And a couple months ago, I went to Popeyes by myself, but they didn't have any more sandwiches. So if you look in the link below, you can see the video that we did where we recreated the Popeye sandwich with our own twist. But today we're gonna actually try the Popeye sandwich that Popeyes made. So we got a spicy chicken sandwich meal. This is the sandwich bag. Just like a little, there's aluminum in it. And there's fries in that bag. Just put that over there. This is the hyped sandwich that everyone hypes about. The Popeyes chicken sandwich. Give you guys a look. Brioche bun. Let's look on the inside. We have a large chicken patty. We have some pickles underneath. And we have a bunch of, I don't know, Cajun sauce, I'm guessing. So yeah, this was the hype sandwich, and I'm about to try it right now. And after I eat it, or after I taste it, I'll give you guys what my thoughts are compared to this and Chick-fil-A, because those are the two rivals. Okay? So it's the Popeye spicy chicken sandwich going in. Wow. It's got a kick to it, actually. That's actually really good. It's very hearty. It's a very hearty sandwich. You can see the inside. The sandwich is actually really spicy. So it's it's not that spicy, but it's got a kick to it. It's got a kick to it. It's very crispy. The pickles are nice, like always. Wow. This sandwich is actually really spicy. I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's actually really spicy. The chicken is thick. and like it's more hearty compared to Chick-fil-A. Wow, it's actually really spicy. Yeah, it's been getting. Okay, so the Cajun sauce, it seems like it's a sauce with, I don't know, ketchup, like Tabasco sauce maybe. But the chicken is really thick and juicy, and it's also crunchy. And then the bread is just soft, pretty good bread. Now I'm going to compare it to Chick-fil-A, which I'm a reliable source because I go to Chick-fil-A virtually every day. I go there every day. I don't eat there every day, but I go there. I eat some of their food every day. So, I would say that this is I would say it's close to Chick-fil-A, like really close. It's actually really good. Like this is a good sandwich. But Chick-fil-A, I mean, this sandwich is just like spice. That's all you taste. And Chick-fil-A, it's like sweet, spicy, all of that melodiousness. But this, I mean, it's good. This sandwich is good. It's like really spicy, but like really flavorful. But I don't know, me, I like sweet sandwiches, like close to sweet and spicy, like equal. But this one is really just like spicy in general. You can see again. Like it's a really big sandwich. This sandwich is 100% bigger than Chick-fil-A. You can see in the pack. Like this is a big piece of chicken. But if you're like really hungry, you should get this over Chick-fil-A. But if you just want like something to eat for fun, yeah, you should get this. But this sandwich is actually really good, and I would get it more. I would like to try the classic too, but that was like spicy because I like spicy stuff in general. So guys, I just finished Popeye's chicken sandwich, and all in all, it was a really good sandwich. It tastes really good. Tastes like the one that I made in the previous video, but I don't think it's worth like all of the hype. It's not worth killing people over. It's just like a regular good sandwich in general. But it was, the spicy chicken sandwich had a kick to it. I really enjoyed it. Comment down below what you want me to try next, what other type of food, or if you want me to make something else. Depends. Remember to like, share, subscribe to your and share to your friends. Subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys later on What Josh Eats.